Okay, I thought I'd make a little woodland craft. It's quite nice to make. This is hazel, and it's a nice tree to work with. It works really well, green wood, and it's very resilient. The more you cut it, the more it shoots up. So it's easy to use, easy to grow. So ID, it's just coming out now. It's just starting to shoot. The leaves get a lot bigger than that. So I'm going to use my handsaw, and again, when you use a handsaw, it's 3 fingers, 1 thumb, 3, 1 thumb, and you're using it like that. If you hold it like that, you haven't got so much control. But if you 3, 1 thumb, it's an old carpenter's trick, and then you can guide it. And it looks quite a large piece, but I'm going to use the whole length of this for different crafts, so it's not wasted. And when you make wood out of the different trees, you know, try and be resourceful. Don't cut it unless you are going to use it. Again, down on your workbench. And when you saw with a handsaw, keep this hand well out the way. If you go this side, it's likely to jump, and that's a nasty saw injury. So there we have it. That's a bit of hazel. Put that blade away, and then I'm going to split it down. And any craft you make, look at the material. So that's the base, that's the top. I'm going to split it down. Got my batten, my natural tool. Take that out. And then I'm going to use my axe just to take this off, because that's quite a lot of meat there, so that'll take me a bit of time with a knife, so I'm going to use my axe to do that. Keep the workbench to the side of you in case it bounces. And what we want is a 3-sided point. You do one surface first, down to the pith, and you turn it. So you get a second surface, then you turn it again, rotate it round, and you get the third. And there you have a 3-sided point. You don't need it completely pointed because it's going to go in the ground anyway, so it will just blunt. Just tidy that up. Because we're going to hit it in the ground, I'm going to bevel around the top, and I'm going to use my knife for that. Just put that away. It's good practice to keep putting your tools away. And this is beveling, so I'm just going to nick around the top. Anything you hammer in the ground, as I did, to bevel it, and we do that so the outer fibres don't split. It just makes it last longer, really. And there's a piece of birch bark. I always go camping with a bit of birch bark and a couple of candles, and you wrap that around the candle base. Open up this split. I've split down about 3 inches. Oops. Feed that through, pushing that like that until it bites, and there we have an outdoor candlestick. Something for Valentine's Day maybe. and it's not very expensive.